All right, let's get started.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Yeah.
It looks so good.
Holy crap. It's going to feel a little oily for about 24 hours, but
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Dude, that looks amazing.
thanks, man. You deserves it, dude, bro.
Holy crap. That looks like a new truck. You'd never be able to tell that thing's 20 years old.
No, that was kind of the goal.
Yeah, that's straight up amazing, dude.
I got some UV and abrasion resistant protectant on your dash. Did a cleanser and a protectant on your Microsuede here.
Wow.
Did like a meh shampoo on your floor mats, but they turned out
It
pretty
still
good.
looks amazing. Now we gotta go get sodas. Look are genuinely amazing, and those wheels look better than I think when I bought them. Oh yeah, let's go get
Links to all of the products used in today's videos will be in the description below. Built by detailers for detailers. One of the best tools I have is Car Supply's Warehouse. You can shop by category, you can shop by process, by exterior or interior. The products I use are carefully picked to ensure not only the customer satisfaction, but my own as well. If you shop by brand, your search is refined by chemicals, detailing tools, detailing accessories, window tint and PPF, and microfiber. I've spent years detailing my own cars and sifting through various products, bringing only the best to my customers. If you search through process, it is filtered by window tint and PPF, interior and exterior. They also offer an affiliate program so that individuals like me can take advantage of some compensation for products we already use. Thanks to their generous kickback through their affiliate program, I can monetize my YouTube videos in more ways than one.